Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google VEO 3 completely free, step by step.
First, open your Chrome browser and type Google Vids in the search bar. Now, as you can see in the results, click on the official link that says Google Vids. This will take you to the Google Workspace video editor. Here, just sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main editor dashboard. Looks clean, right? Now, focus on the right side of the screen. This is where you select the AI model. By default, it's set to VEO2, but we want the latest. So, click on the drop-down menu and select VEO3. Boom! You're now ready to generate your video with the power of Google's latest AI. Now, I'll enter a sample prompt right here and hit the Generate button. It might take a few moments, but once it's done, look at that! Your video is ready. That's how easy it is to use Google VEO 3 for free and start creating stunning videos with just a prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome AI tools and tech tricks. Thanks for watching,